SundayGrid is a new age investment option and it's backed by Zerodha. Account creation is very simple and easy. Check in the description and you can use the link in the description for creation of accounts. Like the video and subscribe for our channel. It will motivate us to give more content like this. Let's start with login with your Google account. This video explains how SundayGrid works as a platform where you can invest in solar projects and get returns out of it. Here you can see credits available and savings so far, which I have used some for electricity bill payment, and you can see other information also. The credits earned which till now and capacity reserved and carbon avoided we can see. And this is the project name which is Vega 150 which is in Hassan. By clicking on the project, you can see project details where the power generation is mentioned by month basis and capacity reserved, as well as the credits earned also you can see over here. There is a WhatsApp community also that you can join through the project page. They have made UI very simple and very understandable. Here you can see reserve more solar to get the new projects. You can see the available project which is Phoenix 75 in Navi Mumbai and the capacity as well as the operational validity. You can see the Scholar Square is installing this project and you can see other information like annualized savings which is 11.5 percentage and operational validity which is till August 2040 you will get the returns, and reservation status like how much is already been bought by others, and you can see other information. Lot of information are there, you can go by it. And over here you can see average power bill. On that you can purchase how much capacity you want to reserve. You can see you can slide the bar and you can get to know like how much it will take. Here you can see what is the final payable amount and what is the 15 years savings, what is the annual returns you will get. It is about 12,002 rupees 69 paise and reserved capacity and energy produced. You can change the average power bill and you can calculate it again. I have given 2000 now. Now I am playing with that bar which you can see like the final payable is also changed, and you can go to next page to check what is the GST amount, what is the handling fees and other information. Yeah, and you can also check like what is the glance of each terms and services, and order summary is coming like you can see GST and handling fees and the final payable price, and we have to agree for this conditions. You can see the operational validity 2040 and the monthly credits you can see 1760. That's it guys, you can go for the proceed checkout and you can pay for it. Thanks. Disclaimer, this is not an investment recommendation. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.